Understanding the removal mechanism of single crystal sapphire during UPM is important in order to establish proper machining strategy and improve throughput. In the previous study, the authors modified the slip fracture activation model by reflecting the resultant force signal to explain the removal behavior of single crystal sapphire during ultra-precision flimsy coating in terms of different cutting directions. This research extended the previous study by developing a slip fracture activation model with modeling cutting force. A cutting force has been established with considering two edge-radius effect and stress distribution. The plastic deformation parameters and cleavage fracture parameters has been newly calculated by correlating the stress distribution to critical reserved shear stress and critical stress intensity factor. Through this study, the mechanism of removal behavior on single crystal sapphire during UPM has been explained with more detail and accuracy.